This batch of radish, really bad in there. It looks like it's got mold in between some of those spots. At first I thought it was because I was putting too much water in it, not enough water, leaving the tray on top of it on too long. I've got the same problem over here with this broccoli. Got some mold in there. The germination didn't do very well. Same problem over here with the cabbage. It's got some mold, it's got some spots that didn't germinate. I think the issue is we're using dirt. I'm going to try some brand new dirt and plant radish and see what happens. This is my brand new dirt and a radish planting, and we'll see what happens. This is speckled pea microgreens, and you can see that I chopped down about half this tray last night for dinner. But peas have an interesting germination rate in that some of these, even though I chopped down some of these because they were very high, some of them haven't even come up yet. They're still germinating down here. And also, I think even the ones that you chop off will continue to grow. So I'm going to not dump this tray out. I'm going to try to continue to grow this tray, see how it does. Just leaving it as microgreens and not sticking it over there next to the fence like I did the other ones. I'll try to continue to use this as microgreen tray if they'll continue to grow here. Even though I'm having such an awful time because of all the heat and losing so much stuff in the trays, losing so many seeds in the trays, trying one more time with radishes. And this time I'm going to leave it covered. You can see it's sprouting pretty good in there. See the little roots coming out. I'm going to leave it covered for several days. Just covered. Keep the moisture on the roots. And see if it doesn't do better. I'm also trying the radish in a deep can here I've got on my patio. It should be able to keep the moisture on it longer. We have a lot of dirt in here. I just started this a couple days ago, 3 days ago. I don't have any sprouts coming out yet, but I just took the weight off it today. We'll see how that turns out. I'll keep it covered for a long time too. Keep the roots moist. So far so good with the brand new tray of radish. I'm still having it covered up, trying to keep moisture on all the roots until they get really firmly entrenched in there. So far no mold issues. So far so good, but we'll keep it covered up. And hopefully it will be better than my last tray.